lovelies, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Becky P. Ngozi, and if this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. In this video, we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle for my baby girl Pearl. Okay, so for this hairstyle, using kinky expression, and as you bring it out, you are going to cut it. So when you cut it, you use one side of half of it. Okay, I'm going to use half of it to braid the hair, just like I'm doing, like so. So this is the hairstyle that she used for on my last video that I posted on this channel. If you have not watched the video, please check the description box. I will be dropping the link on the description box so you can go and watch it. And she used this hairstyle for a very special event. I'm going to upload the part 2 of that video very soon. Okay, my baby really liked this hairstyle. She really liked it a lot. It makes her so beautiful, yeah. And she looks like a queen, like an African queen. So people were calling her African queen, like people really like the hairstyle, you know. And maybe because of the color I also used, the color really bring out the hairstyle. I wanted to use black, but at the same time I prefer to use this red color, and it really bring out the style. So yeah, so please like this video. Okay, like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, and for my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So the hairstyle is really simple. There's no much things to explain. As you can see, just keep watching. I'm going to use a Brazilian wool to tie it, okay, so that it will not lose. So it's really very simple. It's beginner friendly. It's something that you can do for your baby girl at home. Alright, so just keep watching, and please like the video and share to family and friends that will be interested in this video, that will want to make this beautiful hairstyle for their baby girl. By the way, I got my inspiration from Catherine O. Hilary's channel. She made her baby's hair. She made this hair for her baby, and I really liked it, so I feel like making it too. So yeah, please keep watching and please subscribe to my channel.